Can't believe I'm actually doing this. But I'm about to unbox my third book, Songbird Heir, which is the sequel to Still Princess. I've got it. I've got my hands on it. I don't want to look. Can't look. Can't look. Oh my gosh. Look at the thickness of that spine. It looks pretty much exactly the same as Still Princess, but it's bigger. How pretty. So I just grabbed Still Princess, and this is the two of them together. They are the same size, but for some reason when I was holding them. Look at the spines on them. They look similar. Not exactly the same. I might have liked butterfly on that. Oh no, there is a butterfly, but it's just under the line. Still Princess. Songbird Heir. Looks pretty much the same as Still Princess. Inside. I got home to this. That looks so cool. There's silver. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Eden is on a later chapter. The black and white just looks amazing. I don't know what it is. It looks so good. I now have 2 parts of a series. Second part coming soon. It's coming 21st of December, so please do check this out if you love Still Princess. Or if you haven't, this is a futuristic young adult adventure. It's a pirate adventure with a robot kingdom. And then book 2 carries on their story. Look how pretty they look together though. That is so cool. I now have half of my series. My first series is halfway there. Yeah, thank you guys for all the love and support so far. It's been absolutely amazing. And I can't wait to see this book out on the shelves next to the first one. It's so cool.